Okay, so we're out on the water now, and I'm going to show you a new feature that we have on the Simrad new operating system called heat trails. We can actually differentiate different colors using our track function, but incorporating that into a process allowing us to see temperature differences and also show speed differences as well. So I'm going to enable it here. I'm going to show you how to do that, and we're going to show you some differentiators in water temperature as we run around the intercoastal here. Keep in mind the water is really warm here right now, so the differences we're going to see is between 88 and possibly 90 degrees, but we can at least show you a little bit of variant on that. To activate that, we come into our app menu. We're going to scroll up to tracks. We're going to click on tracks, and we hit this little arrow. So we're showing the tracks on chart, and then we come in here to heat trails. Click on that, go over to the right here, and the metric that we're using right now is going to be water temperature. There's multitudes of metrics here. We're going to use water temperature, and then we're going to use speed over ground as the two metrics in this demonstration, but obviously you can see there are other ones here that you can use as well. I'm going to come in here and I can either use an average or an all-time min-max matrix, or I can come in here and dial it in manually. Right now I have it set from 88 degrees to 95 degrees to give me that band. You can also see that located here. So 88 degrees is going to show up as a purple, and then as you get through the color band, you're going to get into your blues, your aquas, your greens, your yellows, and your reds as that water temperature goes up. Keep in mind, it's just a 7-degree difference here. I can raise or lower that, so if I'm looking for a 2 or 3 degree break at the surface temperature offshore, I can make this 88 and I can make this 90 or within a couple degrees, and then that will change the dynamics too. So you can see that went from 95 down to 93 now is the red temperature in that color band. So we're going to leave it at 95. We're going to come back out here. We have it enabled. I'm going to exit out of this, and you can see some of the tracks that we've made currently. Again, purple is 88 degrees. You can see our current water temperature off our Airmar through-hole transducer is 88.7, so it's maintaining really well in that realm. The only place that we were able to find a little bit warmer water was once we got up around this spoil island here, and I'm going to zoom in. It's a very, very light change, but you can see where this is really purple, which is about 88, and then this gets into a little bit bluish purple. That's where we jumped up over that 88 degrees and we got into the 89 degrees. So that gave us a new color variant until we got back over here to the intercoastal. And then again, you can see where this blue changed right back into purple, where we went from 89 back to 88 degrees. Now I'm going to show you the metric using speed. So we're going to come back in here. We're going to go back into tracks. We're going to go into heat trails, and the metric now we're going to change to speed. Now we're going to do speed over ground, and we have it set 1 to 23 miles per hour. I'm going to center my boat. Again, we're running right now at 5 miles per hour over speed over ground. What you're going to see is as I speed up, this is going to start color changing. So as I get into 10, we're going to get into aqua. So we get into the teens, we're going to get into green. We're not going to go much faster than that, just because we're kind of in an area where we want to be careful. But you'll see that color change on the track now. So you can see it pretty plain as day as it's blue. I'm going to speed up here a little bit. We're at 7. We're getting into a little bit of aqua change now color. There you can see the aqua, we're at 9. I'm going to try and get it as fast as we can. Now you can get into our greens. And now even to like a little bit of yellow and a little bit darker green. And now as we slow back down, we're going to start seeing that change back from green, which was in our mid-teens. You see a little bit of aqua there, which is around that 9-10 miles an hour, and now back to blue. And then eventually, if we slow way back down, we're at 7, We're going to eventually see that line go into a purple. Starting to slow down here a little bit. Current may keep us up. Now you can start seeing the purple come into effect here. The change from blue to purple. And that's how we set up heat trails, utilizing our track, both utilizing metrics of speed over ground and temperature.